So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to duplicate this layer, right click on the layer and then duplicate layer. And now right click on the layer here, top one, and then convert to smart object to convert it into smart object. And now go to image, adjustments, and then hue and saturation. Reduce the saturation here slider all the way down. And now press OK. It will turn the layer into black and white. Now click here to hide the filters, smart filters. And now right click on the black and white layer, right click on it, duplicate layer. And now go to image, adjustments, and then this time invert. This will invert the black and white colors. Left click, so here it is. Let's hide the smart filters by clicking on this icon here. And now change the layer mode of the top layer to color dodge. And now go to filter, and then blur, and then select Gaussian blur. And now I don't want to overdo it, so I'm going to reduce it to around 3 pixels. So I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. And now click on the arrow here to hide the smart filters. And now I'm just going to add the curves adjustment layer to increase the black color, to increase the pencil sketch effect. So left click here and then select the curves. Now I'm just going to make it smaller. And now I'm just going to bring this point here, the line here, to drag it to the right. So as you can see, it increases the black color, it sharpens the layer, the image. So here it is, I'm going to leave it here. And now I'm going to drag the original layer, this one here on top, so we can see the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. And now since our layers here are smart objects, so I'm going to select one, double click on one of them. So here, this is our image with the layers, the original layer, and this is the smart object. We are inside the smart object. So now I'm just going to bring another image. So this is the image I'm going to use. So now I'm just going to click on this icon here to confirm. Just place it on top of this one here. And now I'm going to save the smart object. So go to File and then select Save Smart Object or Ctrl S, left click. And now if you select the image, so here it is, it changed it. So I can still, if I go back, I'm just going to hide this one. Go to File, Save Smart Object. Let's go back. So here it is.